Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you 4 super easy heatless hairstyles which would be perfect for school or if you're in a rush. So I really hope you enjoy it and let's get into it. So for the first hairstyle you want to start by brushing your hair to make sure there are no knots or tangles. To add some volume to my hair, I'm just grabbing a section of hair at the crown of my head and backcombing it. So you just want to really gently push the comb down against the root of the hair. As long as you're gentle and don't backcomb your hair too often, it shouldn't damage your hair at all. Next, I'm gathering all of my hair back into a ponytail position at the top of my head. Then I'm just pulling my hair through the band halfway, then grabbing the end of the ponytail and twisting it inside. I'm going to play the clip a few times so you can see exactly what I'm doing because it's quite hard to explain. Ooh, slow-mo, how edgy. I should have put some intense music with this. So once the hair is in the bun, I'm just pulling at it to loosen it, and I'm pulling at the actual bun to make it bigger. And then just taking some hair grips and gripping the bun into the position I want it to be in. Now I'm just pulling out some strands of hair around the front of my face, as I just prefer it like this as it gives it a messier look, which I love, and then that's it. This second hairstyle is super easy, but I really love the result. So first I'm making sure I have a straight, neat middle parting by using my comb and dragging it up from my nose to find the center of my face. Next, I'm taking a large section of hair at the front of my face on one side, and I'm just starting to backcomb it gently again to add more volume to it. And then I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Now I'm picking up a section of hair at the side and creating a little poof and then gripping it in place. Again, I'm doing the exact same thing on the opposite side of my head. I'm also just pulling out some pieces to frame my face again and make it look a little bit messier. And then that's the second look. For this third hairstyle, I'm taking sections of hair at the crown of my head again and gently backcombing it by pushing the comb down against the root. As you can tell, I like to add a bit of volume to my hair by backcombing, but as long as you're gentle, it won't damage your hair at all. Next, I'm just combing over the top of what I've just done to make it look a little bit neater. Then you just want to gather the hair back and create a large poof and then grip it in place. I'm just going in with my comb again to just fluff up the sides, and then that's the third hairstyle. And finally, for this fourth look, I'm just brushing through my hair again to make sure it's nice and smooth. I'm taking a large section of hair at the front of my face and combing it backwards and adding a little volume again by gently backcombing it. I must have said the word gently about 20 times now, so I'm sorry. Then I'm gathering the hair together in a ponytail position at the top of my head. It's best to use a clear elastic for this, and I'm just pulling the hair through and twisting the hair inside it. Again, I'll play this clip a few times so you can see how I do it better. So next you just want to pull at the hair and the bun to make it bigger and grip it into the position you like with some hair grips. I'm pulling a few pieces of hair around the front of my face again and making the sides more voluminous, and then that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try any of these hairstyles out, and yeah, have an amazing day, and I'll speak to you all again very, very soon. Bye!